Everyone, in this video, we will see about how HCF is being used in some of the word problem. Question is, find the least number of equal square tiles required to pave the ceiling of a room of 15 meters and 17 centimeters long, 9 meters and 2 centimeters broad. So first of all, we need to convert these two into the same unit, means here meter and centimeter is there. Let us convert it into this one. We need to convert this into same units, both of them. So I can say the sides of the room are first length is 15 meters given, 17 meter and 17 centimeter, which means it is 15 into 100 plus 17, all in centimeters. That will work out 15, 17 centimeter. Then breadth 9 meters and 2 centimeter. So I can write 9 into 100 plus 2, so it becomes 902 centimeter. Now, the length of the side of the square tile can be obtained by finding highest common factor of this 15, 17 and 902. We'll use division method for it. 15, 17, the highest number, sorry. The highest number divided by the least number. Least number is 902. So here it is 1902, 516. Again, 902 will get substituted. This will become 1615, 7, and here it is 8 and 1. So again 615. I'm sorry, this should be 280, not 180. That means this goes 2 times. 2 times or 3 times. 6, 5. So, 574. Goes exactly by 7 terms. So this is HCF. So you can say HCF of 1517 902 is 40. So we got the length of the tile, hence length of the side of the square tile equal to 41 centimeter. So now let us divide this 41 by this 1570. 1570 divided by 41. We get 37, and 902 541 equal to 22. Therefore, the least number of tiles required is product of these two numbers, that is 7, which gives us 8.4. So that is the solution for this particular problem. In case if you find the contents to be useful to you, I request you to please like, share it with your friends, and also subscribe to my channel. Thank you.